Welcome back. Today we're upstairs in our third bedroom, which is a guest room / my office. This room has become very messy as well because initially a lot of the boat stuff was being stored in here for the winter, but then also when we started renovating the master bedroom, a lot of stuff got thrown in here during that renovation and just never got taken out. So today I'm going to be getting everything out of this room that doesn't belong in here, and then I might go ahead and rearrange some of the furniture because, like I said, this is also my office, and honestly, I don't know if we're ever going to have guests use this bedroom, so it would be nice to make the bedroom part of this room a little less prominent and just open up the space a little bit more. Hopefully I'm able to do that, but I need to take some measurements and even see if that's an option. But yeah, I'm ready to get this bedroom back under control because I'm so tired of living in a chaotic household and just always having these tasks in the back of my mind. So yeah, I'm going to be really happy when this is done and I can stop thinking about it. So let's get into cleaning this room. So I'm going to start off with picking up all the clothes that are in here. These were all my boyfriend's like extra clothes that he either never wears or rarely wears that got thrown in here during the master bedroom renovation. So just picking up all these piles is going to make it look a lot better. I'm just going to throw them into a basket, and then when he gets home he can go through everything and figure out what he wants to keep or get rid of. Oh my god, I just bent my nail back so far. Alright, I got all the clothes picked up. It is a pretty big pile of clothing. I knew we had more clothes when I was putting everything back into the master bedroom, but I didn't realize there was that many in this room. I'm going to go ahead and take these clothes downstairs so that way he can go through them. Next, I'm going to take the pillows and the one foam topper downstairs with all the other boat stuff because that stuff is for the boat. Boat's getting put in the water in I think 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, so we really need to be getting everything collected and all in one place. Everything that's on here right now isn't supposed to be on here. because this room has been so hard to walk around in for the last few months, I haven't even gotten to dusting off all the drywall dust from our past renovations, so now I'm gonna get a tote to throw a lot of my boyfriend's memorabilia stuff from when he was a flagger for pro motocross races and just some other random stuff that I have no idea what he wants to do with it. We don't really have a home for it, so yeah, I'm just gonna consolidate all that. So he's probably not gonna be really happy when he gets home and has a ton of decisions to make, but this needs to get done. It's, you know, frustrating when I walk into my office and it's just a mess and I can barely even get back to my desk. So yeah, it really needs to get done. I just really want a house that functions properly. So yeah. Now I'm going to work on moving all of this wood. There's also a bunch of wood under the bed as well. My boyfriend originally wanted to keep all this wood and reuse it. Now I have no idea why he wanted to anymore, because this stuff got torn out of the bathroom like 2 years ago. So yeah, all this wood needs to get dealt with. There's so much trim in the bathroom from the master bedroom and like just a lot of scraps that need to be dealt with. So I'm going to go ahead and move this headboard so that way I can start doing stuff around the bed. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure and see if I can even like do what I want to do on this side. But this is a headboard that we're going to be using now. This is actually the headboard that goes with everything in the master bedroom, but this is for a queen bed. We have a king bed, so it's getting moved in here. And then I think we're going to go ahead and sell or just post the other headboard for free. Now I'm going to get this mattress topper onto this bed. I'm going to go ahead and measure because I want to see if I can turn the bed sideways and have it shoved against the wall, and then move that dresser against where the bookshelf was. And then I would bring the nightstand in this corner to under the window, and then that way the printer can sit on the nightstand instead of on the floor. And we're going to go for it, and I guess see what happens, because it looks like it's going to be a little close with the closet door. Everything in this room does need to be washed, but I'm going to do all that another day because I don't have time or the energy to do, like, honestly, I don't even know how many loads of laundry with all the clothing that I took out of here and then all the extra bedding. Like, I don't know, I'm going to say probably about at least 5 loads of laundry, so that will all get done one day, but I'm really focused on getting all the extra stuff out of here, getting all the drywall dust out of here, and then just making it a little bit more functional. Next, I think I'm going to get all the random wood out from under the bed. I just noticed there's another clothes basket full of clothes. I didn't even know it was under there. So yeah, my boyfriend's definitely going to have to go through his clothes. He doesn't even wear like regular clothes. He pretty much only wears his work clothes. So yeah, he doesn't need 30 hoodies, 20 pairs of jeans. So got it into place. I was getting really frustrated. These rooms, this house in general, is just so compartmentalized and so small, it's hard to do anything. So, yeah. Out of breath, but I finally got it into place. Those were all of our extra blankets. I need to get another tote like that to put all the random blankets that were in this room in one of those so it can go neatly under the bed. So I've gotten everything rearranged. I've got most of the drywall dust out of here. Now that I have it all rearranged, it really did open up the room and feel like there's so much more space in here. It doesn't feel like it's just crammed full of furniture. The layout isn't the best looking, but I just really wanted to open up the space. That was more of my priority rather than it looking, perfect for like a picture or whatever. So yeah, just open space was way more important to me. And like I said, I don't know if we're ever really going to use this for a guest. We might, but it's going to be very rare if we do. So having the bed turned sideways just so I have more space when I'm working makes a lot more sense. So yeah, if you liked this video, if you like cleaning content or just redoing rooms and DIY stuff, you should definitely like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.